Possibility BA and BCom College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling Business Statistics subject for BCom third sem students. Last class we have discussed the problems on mean deviation to mean deviation to median. Okay, in this class problems based on mode. First one, calculate mean deviation from mode. Okay, they have given x values 9, 8, 5, 4, 4, 10. They have given the x values. X solution, calculation of mean deviation from mode. Okay, x values 9, 8, 5, 4, 4, 10. Okay, 4. Okay, mode nothing but most repeated value. Here most repeated value is 4. Okay, mode x minus mode 9 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 10 minus 4. 9 ಒಳಗೆ 5 ಹೋದರೆ 9 ಒಳಗೆ 4 ಹೋದರೆ 5, 8 minus 4 4, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 0, 10 minus 4 6. Total is 16. Step 1, that is mode is equal to 4, most repeated value. Second, calculation of mean deviation from mode is equal to mean deviation from mode is equal to 1 divided by n into bracket sigma x minus mode 1 divided by total number 6. Okay, x minus mode is 16. 16 manza 16 divided by 6, that is 2.6. 6 is our mean deviation from mode. Then working note number 3, calculation of coefficient of mean deviation from mode. Mean deviation from mode. Mean deviation from mode divided by mode. Mean deviation from mean mode 2.66. First one, the mode is 4. 0.665 is our coefficient of mean deviation from mode. I hope you understood the problem. First they have given the x values. In that the most repeated value is 4. 4 ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು x values ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. 9 minus 4 5, 8 minus 4 4, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 0, 10 minus 4 6. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 6 16. Most repeated value is 4. Calculation of mean deviation from mode. Mean deviation from mode 1 divided by n sigma x minus mode 1 divided by 6 into 16. So 16 divided by 6, 2.66. Third one, calculation of coefficient of mean deviation from mode. Mean deviation from mode divided by mode 2.66 divided by 4, that is 0.665 is our coefficient of mean deviation from mode. The next one is to the mean deviation from mean deviation from mode, and mean deviation from median. The next one is B. In case of discrete and continuous frequency distribution. Continuous frequency distribution. In case of mean. In case of mean. Okay. Mean deviation from mean is equal to 1 divided by n sigma f x minus x bar. Okay, mean deviation from mean 1 divided by n sigma f x minus x bar in case of median. In case of median. Mean deviation from median is equal to 1 divided by n sigma f x minus median. Next, C. In case of mode. Mean deviation from mode is equal to 1 divided by n sigma f x minus mode. Discrete ಮತ್ತೆ continuous variation ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. In case of mean deviation from mean ಅಂದರೆ x bar 1 divided by n sigma f x minus x bar. In case of median, mean deviation from median 1 divided by n sigma f x minus median. In case of mode, mean deviation from mode 1 divided by n sigma f x minus mode. Okay, I hope you understood the formulas. Let us start the problem. Problems based on mean deviation from mean when in a discrete continuous frequency. Okay, x and the f values given x 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. F 3, 8, 10, 20, 12 and 7. Okay, total is 60. Let us solve the problem. Solution. Calculation of mean deviation from mean. Okay, 2 columns. First one is x, another one is f. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3, 8, 10, 20, 12, 7. Total is 60. Okay, then we have to find out f into x. 10 3s are 30, 11 8s are 88, 12 10s are 120, 13 20s are 260, 14 12s are 168, 15 7s are 105. So okay, add all the fx values, that is 771. Working out number 1, calculation of mean. Mean is equal to summation fx divided by n. 771 is summation fx divided by n is 60. 771 divided by 60. 12.85. 12.85 is our mean. To find out x minus x bar, then f into x minus x bar we have to calculate. Our x is 10. 10 minus x bar is 12.85. 12.85. The answer is 2.85. Next, 11 minus 12.85, 1.85. 12 minus 12.85, 0.85. 13 minus 12.85, 0.15. 14 minus 12.85, 1.15. 15 minus 12.85, the answer is 2.15. Then we have to multiply these two. We will get the last column. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the last one is fifth one. Fifth one barbekandre second column matte fourth column multiply madre we will get fifth one. Okay, 2.85 into 3. 2.85 into 3, 8.55. Next, 1.85 into 8, 14.8. Next, 0.85 into 10, 8.5. Next, 0.15 into 20, 0.15. Next, 1.15 into 12, 13.8. 2.15 into 7, that is 15.05. Total all these the values, that is 63.7. 63.7. Then the working note number 2, calculation of mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean is equal to 1 by n sigma f x minus x bar. 1 by n is 60 into 63.7. 1 by 60 into 63.7. 1.06 is our mean deviation from mean. The next one is third one, calculation of coefficient of mean deviation from mean is equal to mean deviation from mean divided by mean. 1.06 divided by 12.85, that is 0.082. That is 0.082 is our coefficient of mean deviation from mean. I hope you understood. First they have given f and the x values. Multiply these two, we will get fx. 10 into 3, 30. 11 into 8, 88. 12 into 10, 120. 13 into 20, 260. 14 into 12, 168. 15 into 7, 105. Add all these, we will get 77. Okay, calculation of mean. Summation of x divided by n. 771 divided by 60, that is 12.85. Then x minus x bar. 10 minus 12.85, that is 2.85. 11 minus 12.85, 1.85. 12 minus 12.85, that is 0.85. 13 minus 12.85, 0.15. 14 minus 12.85, 1.15. 15 minus 12.85, that is 2.15. Multiply second column and the fourth column, we will get the fifth one. 3 into 2.85, 8 into 1.85, 14.8, 10 into 0.85, 8.5, 20 into 0.15, 0.15, 12 into 1.15, 13.8, 7 into 2.15, that is 15.05. Add all these, 63.7. Calculation of mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean is equal to 1 by n sigma f into bracket x minus x bar 1 divided by 60 into 63.7, that is 1.06. Calculation of coefficient of mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean divided by mean. 1.06 divided by 12.85, that is 0.082 is our coefficient of mean deviation from mean. Very important for your examination point of view. 15 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ mean deviation from mean, median ಮತ್ತೆ mode ಇವು ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ mean deviation from mean. They have given two columns, class interval and the frequency. 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 3, 8, 10, 7, 2. That is 30. Okay, let us start the solution. Calculation of mean deviation from mean. Okay, first column is class interval, second column is frequency, next column is x, f into x, x minus x bar, f x minus x bar. Okay, write down the class intervals. 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 3, 8, 10, 7, 2, 30. Okay, we have to find out the x. 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 plus 8 divided by 2. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 8 plus 12 divided by 2, that is 10. Next, 12 plus 16 divided by 2, 14. 16 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 18. Okay, f into x. 3 2s are 6. 8 6 are 48. 10 10s are 100. 14 into 7, 98. 18 2s are 36. Total is 288. The next one is we have to find out the mean. Calculation of mean. Mean is equal to summation fx divided by n. Summation fx 288 divided by 30. 288 divided by 30, 9.6 is our mean. Then we have to find out x minus x bar. X is 2. 2 minus 9.6, that is 7.6. 6 minus 9.6, 3.6. 10 minus 9.6, 0.4. 14 minus 9.6, 4.4. 18 minus 9.6, 8.4. Okay, I hope you understood. Then multiply these two columns, we will get the last column. Column number 1, column number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 minus 5. We will get 6. Okay. 3 into 7.6. 22.8, 8 into 3.6, 28.8, 10 into 0.4, 4, 7 into 4.4, 30.8, 2 into 8.4, 16.8, that is 103.2 is our f x minus x bar. Second one, calculation of mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean is equal to 1 by n sigma f x minus x bar 1 by 30 into 103.2 that is 3.44. The next third one, calculation of coefficient of mean deviation from mean is equal to mean deviation from mean divided by mean. It is also called as x bar. Mean deviation from mean 3.44 divided by mean 9.6, that is 0.358 is our coefficient of mean deviation from mean. I hope you understood. First they have given class interval and the frequency. We have to find out x. 0 plus 4, 4 divided by 2, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 4 plus 8, 12 divided by 2, 2 ones are, 2 six are. 20 divided by 2, 10. 12 plus 16 divided by 2, that is 14. 16 plus 20, 36 divided by 2, 18. Okay, multiply these two. 3 twos are 6, 8 6 are 48, 10 tens are 100, 7 14s are 98, 18 twos are 36. Total is 288. Calculation of mean. Summation fx divided by n. 288 divided by 30, 9.6. Okay, 2 minus 9.6, 7.6. 6 minus 9.6, 3.6. 10 minus 9.6, 0.4. 14 minus 9.6, 6.4. 18 minus 9.6, 8.4. Okay, multiply these two, we will get the last one. 3 into 7.6, 22.8. 8 into 36, 28.8. 10 into 0.44. 7 into 4.4, 30.8. 2 into 8.4, 16.8. That is 103.2. Then we have to calculate the calculation of mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean is equal to 1 by n summation f x minus x bar 1 by 30 into 103.2, that is 3.44. Next, calculation of coefficient of mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean divided by mean. 3.44 divided by 9.6 is equal to 0.358 is our coefficient of mean deviation from mean. I hope you understood the discrete and the continuous frequency. Problem based on mean deviation from mean. This problem is given in 2016 question paper. Class interval, then the frequency. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequency 3, 6, 9, 13, 8, 7, 4. Okay. Let us solve the problem. Class interval 0, 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequency 3, 6, 9, 13, 8, 7, 4. Total is 50. Then we have to find out the x values. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, 55. 60 plus 70 divided by 2, 65. Multiply these two, we will get fx. 5 3s are 15. 6 15s are 90. 25 9s are 225. 35 into 13 455. 45 into 8 360. 55 into 7 385. 65 into 4 260. Add all these, we will get 1790 is our summation fx. 15 plus 90, 90 plus 225, 225 plus 425, 455 plus 360, 360 plus 385, 385 plus 260 is 1790. Calculate mean deviation, mean summation fx divided by n. 1790 divided by 50, that is 35.8 is our mean. 35.8. X is 5. 5 minus 35.8, 30.8. 15 minus 35.8, 20.8. 25 minus 35.8, 10.8. 35 minus 35.8, 0.8. 45 minus 35.8, 9.2. 55 minus 35.8, 19.2. 65 minus 35.8, 29.2 is our x minus x bar. Then multiply these two, we will get the last one. 3 into 30.8 is 92.4. Then 20.8 into 6 is equal to 124.8. 10.8 into 9, 97.2. 0.8 into 13, 10.4. 9.2 into 8, 73.6. Next 19.2 into 7, 134.4. 29.2 into 4 is 116.8. Add all these, 649.6. 649.6. Calculation of mean deviation of mean. 1 divided by n, sigma x minus x bar. 1 divided by 50 into 649.6. 649.6 divided by 50, that is 12.99. The third one is calculation of coefficient of mean deviation from mean. Step 2 divided by step 1, that is mean deviation from mean x bar divided by x bar. Step 2 is 12.99 divided by step 1 is 35.8. Cancellation, 12.000 get cancelled. Okay, here 0. 1299 divided by 300, 3580. 0.3628 is our coefficient of mean deviation from mean. I hope you understood the mean deviation from mean in continuous and the frequency distribution. We will discuss next session mean deviation from mode and the median. Thank you.